Okay, I've bought myself a Razer Phone 2, and a couple of reasons why. One, my current phone is 4.5 years old. It was a Microsoft phone. Obviously they stopped supporting that, creating apps and God knows what else for it, and I was waiting for the Surface phone, but now's the time to jump. For me anyway. They had a good deal on, they had £110 off the phone. I got this mat, just as a freebie. I got a case for it because it's Valentine's, which is very and I've got the phone here. Doesn't come in any fancy packaging. It's got the Razer logo there, and I'll just go and get me my newly acquired opening equipment. What's it say on the box? So this is kind of my first impressions. I don't know anything Android. I have no idea how to use it. I wish I didn't have to. But hey, must have moved on a bit since I first seen it. I bought it not for games, not for, well, I like some new apps. Want to mainly control my telly and stuff. Well, I bought it for watching recorded content. Ooh, that's a nice box. Looks alright so far. For the audio, because I wanted some proper speakers on there, so when I'm watching Netflix or showing people my latest cat videos or YouTube content, they can actually hear. Oh, that's interesting. I didn't think it came with the audio cable, but you have to buy that separately. Okay, well, that's good. And this is the charging cable. Ooh, got a bit of green on the end. That's sweet. Hang on there. Very nice. Charger. Okay. Very nice box. Great packaging. See what's in this. Probably a welcome to the world pack. Oh, you've got your, okay, show me where to put the SIM. Oh, there's a little Razer pin. Got the word Razer on it. Very smart. Okay. The manual. Ooh. So, I'll be doing some more videos on this. As you all know, I've got a Razer Blade 15. And I'm very happy with that. I've been doing loads of content for it. So if you haven't seen it, check it out. So I'm guessing I'm going to be a load of content on this. Yes, it's quite a large phone. I haven't got large hands, but yeah. Cracking. I want a big screen because my eyesight's not very good, and I want some sound to show people my content. So I don't even know how to turn this thing on. So there's an obvious power button on it. And a bit of a saying it's on the side. Is that it? Oh, okay, yeah, that says it. But it went in. I think there's a finger scan or something. Go on. Turn it on. Have to hold it on for a bit. Yep, felt it. Powered by Android. Nice. Oh, stickers. Ooh, let me see. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, that's very nice. That's bird sound you're hearing is natural. Oh, no, not America. English XC. Okay. Oh, okay, one above. Get started. Okay. Yes. Accept it. No idea if I should or shouldn't be accepting these things. Skip. Skip the Wi-Fi. Yeah. I'm impressed with the screen so far. Very clear. Fingerprint pattern. Well, can't just get into the frigging fingerprint and pin. Oh, little pin. I'll just go and put my secret digits in. Touch the sensor. Okay. Lift and touch again. Oh, it's on my screen. Okay. I'm gonna laugh in here. Here's my bloody finger. That's the sensor. So it just says keep lifting your finger to add the different parts. Ah, right. Okay. So it wants to scan all my finger. Which bloody finger do you want? Oh my god, little fingers! How big are these? Finger. Oh, right. Okay. No, I don't want to do any of that. Oh, I don't think it wants different parts. I think it's just scanning different bits. Oh, fuck. Oh, okay. Right. Just don't touch it hard too hard, I guess. Just doing the same bit all the time. What is this icon? Okay. I don't think I'll be buying much. Okay, should get stuff. Center start now data. Right. No, I don't want to look the screen just yet. Okay. I've never liked these little icons, to tell you the truth. I prefer the Windows one, but hey, that's just me. Okay, well, so far it looks alright. It's a very nice screen. What's it look like? What's the tap at the top to view? Okay, got you. Seems very responsive and it's very nice. Oh, that's what's more than that. Okay. Well, I was expecting a bit more fanning around, but so far impressed. Razer Cortex, what's that there? Chinese gear. Deny. People want to know where you are, don't they? I've never been a fan. What's this M? Oh, no, don't use that. I can put here, so I'm going to go and search for a load of apps by the looks of it. Please do. What's that? Speakers over there. Theme store. Well, it's quite nice in the hand. It's a little bit slippy, as people say. Oh, okay. Scroll from the bottom and get some maps. Oh, Dolby Atmos. Netflix, that's what I want to use it for. And a lot of other things. Oh, what's that clock? No, that isn't the time, by the way. But that's because we're not connected to anything. Right, okay. Ooh, YouTube. Obviously not going to find anything not being kicked on, but maybe I think I can actually play. Okay. Huh? Well, it goes back to your start. Okay, not too bad. It'll take some getting used to. Anyway, let's go and see what the pink cover looks like now. It wouldn't have been my first choice, but it was this or nothing. And I kind of like the pattern on it. Now, it's interesting that pink wasn't actually designed for girls. Not saying pink is even today. It was actually designed for like kings and queens a long time ago. Snap it on. Ah, it feels better. Okay, feels alright. So, bit surprised they don't allow that to go through. I suppose that's just if you're going to have this on, so you don't want any scratches on. No idea how I got this on, but it looks a bit more like. Ah, okay. I'll have a play with this. It's nice to have something new for a change. I'm really looking forward to testing these speakers out, and I'll do a proper review later on. Black line there, okay. There as well. Very pretty. Anyway, thanks for patience. If anything you want to see, give me a shout. I like the pink actually. Goes well with the black. Just show everybody. It's got the Razer logo on the side here, in case anyone's thinking of getting this. Very smart. Thanks for watching. Bye.